Hello folks, today we're going to build a bird box out of scrap. So I've got a load of offcuts and bits of scrap, but it's nothing fantastic, thin bits of wood, and decided to build a bird box. What you need is 4 sides. You can cut these yourself out of pallet wood or anything else like that, but this is what I've got knocking about. 4 bits like that. It's a bit old tongue and groove. I mean, it might not last for long in the winter. It probably will if you paint it. And then I've got 2 smaller pieces. They're going to be the top and bottom. Rough cuts these, and then I've just got 2 extra little bits knocking about just in case. Then I've got 2 long pieces here, little probably an inch long, not even that, ½ inch, whatever, by 8 inches, something like that, but it doesn't have to be exact as long as all the parts match. I've got 2 more shorter bits that are going to go in the front. See, like I said, it's all literally off cut. You need a spade bit drill like this, drill bit to make the hole. I'm only doing a small bird box, and then this is really a metal drill bit, but it'll do. It's a pilot hole and plus a drill. And look at the screws, they're probably the shortest ones I've got. I mean, you can use tacks or nails or whatever. Just get on with it. So the first thing we've got to do is get our board like this, and then work out where it's going to go. So that's going to go like that and like that, you see. So we don't need loads of screws. And you only have to do it roughly anyway. Like that. Like that. And then get it over the top where the holes have been screwed. Saves you marking out twice. Okay, now that's done. I mean, realistically, you could probably use a screwdriver for this. I seem to be using power tools all the time. Years ago, I used to use a screwdriver. Okay, line it up like so. And you get your big screw. I mean, they really are a bit too big. In like this, just to level it out a bit. Just put that underneath. Line this up like that, and gently does it. Perfect. Then we get the other piece on the side, line it up nice and square, screw the other one in. This is going to be the back, folks. Then we get our other 2 pieces, roughly swap it over. Nice and slowly. Like that. Put this over the top. This is all in real time, this as well. Swap your drill bit over. Then this is going to go on here like so. So you can see it forming already. I've got to gently screw it in place. Hope you can see this. I'll move the camera a little bit for you. You turn it round, piece on it. I'll stick that over there. It doesn't have to be perfect. The birds don't care. Don't forget, this is the front bit. What we need to do next, well, we've got the screwdriver, the drill, need a screwdriver, line this up, put a screw in here, gently does it, you only need one on each side. I'm just doing this for show quickly. Put it on that, roughly around the same, on the same bit like that. Keep screwing. Like so. That's that bit. This is the fun bit. Decide where you want your hole. Where's that out? Put the spade drill bit in. Like that. And for this I'm just going on the edge slightly. There's the hole. A little bit rough there. We can file that out in a minute. I think it needs sharpening that bit, to be fair. Anyway, we'll just peel it a bit, just for a minute, for a little second. File that. Alright. Then what you do, place this on, and then what you do, you pinch it a little bit. Pinch it. Just make sure it's sort of straight, level. To a certain degree. Don't forget, folks, you don't have to be neat doing this job. Pinch it again. Don't forget, this is the quickest, easiest way of making bird boxes. Like this. That's what it's looking. That's what it's looking like so far. Next, we need to figure out what piece of offcut I've got that's best for the roof. That's going to leak. So what I'll do first, I'll do the bottom. The bottom could be a bit wider, gives them something to hang on to. So what I'm going to do next is mark it up. So I need a hole there. You only need a couple of holes. Birds don't weigh anything. A couple of holes. Marked it out with the drill bit. All in there. All down here. And do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get it in, screw it on. I say, it doesn't have to be super neat. And what happens, you see, I've got a ledge now. I've built a ledge without me knowing it. To be honest, these screws are well massive. Hope you can see what's going on here, folks. See that? We've got a ledge there to just hang on to. Right. So I'm happy with that. Now for the roof. See, the birds are loving it already. Right. Making sure you can see is what I'm doing. Put that on. Put the 2 last screws in. Line it up. Got a bit of a little air vent there at the top. There you have it. One bird box, easy as peas. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And this little thing there, let the rain drop off. I'm going to go and put it up, put the picture on to see what it looks like.